This is a review of the solar outdoor wall light. It is a sconce wall light where you could put on outside of your home that goes to your front door, your garage, your patio, pretty much your entryway as well too. And it is also weather resistant that we are going to be doing a unboxing review on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we're going to be putting this product to a test to. And in this unboxing review, we're going to show you guys everything you get. And from there, we are going to show you guys the finished results. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside. Okay, so here's your outdoor wall sconce lights. We're gonna take this out. You can see how beautiful they are, and it's extremely high quality as well too. It has a good weight to it as well. We're gonna put this onto the side. This right over here is your installation for the hardware to install this, where it comes with this right over here, and that's about it you get from here. Now let's move on to the wall sconce lights. You can see it's in the plastic. We're gonna take this out, show you guys more of a close-up. Okay, so here's the outdoor wall sconce lights. You can see how beautiful they are, and you can see it is made of a real glass material that you can see right over here. And then it also comes with a knob where you press this, where you put your light bulb inside, that you could just, open and close it whenever you want. Whenever the light bulb goes out, you could just replace it like that. Right over here on the bottom, we're gonna move this to the side. You can see it comes with a handlebar as well too. And the quality of this is really, amazing. I just love the way how it feels. Right over here on the back side, we're going to get the installation where you can see it comes with the negative, the positive, the wires to route it up. So what we're going to do now is that we are going to go outside. We're going to install this, and from there, after that, we are going to show you guys the finished results once I have this outdoor wall sconce lights mounted on. Okay, so this is the finished results of the outdoor wall sconce lights, and this is how it turned out. And overall, I'm so far satisfied with it and would definitely recommend this product. Now, this is a 18.5 inch in height. This is in a bronze color, so you can see it has that color right over here that looks very nice, especially during the daytime, during the sunlight. And you can see it's 100% made of real glass as well too. Really high quality. Now the bulbs right over here, you could, if you're trying to change it out, you hit this knob right over here to open it and close it like that. So the door of it is right over here, so whenever you have to change the bulbs, you just hit this button right over here to open and close it to replace the bulbs. But other than that, this is how it looks like and turn out. And I would definitely recommend these outdoor wall sconce lights if you're looking for something to modernize your home and make it look more appealing. Then this product right over here is probably one of the best outdoor wall sconce lights you could get, and I would definitely recommend this product.